Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer or withdraw money from Sweatcoin to PayPal. Now there are some requirements in order to transfer money from Sweatcoin to PayPal, but I'm going to be showing you guys in this video 3 ways on how you can do that. Okay, now there are some easy ways and there are some hard ways in order to exchange your Sweatcoin money for PayPal money. Now the first thing you need to know, guys, as you can see here, as you can see, 600 Sweatcoin equals $7. Okay, now the first way, guys, to exchange Sweatcoin for PayPal money is you want to just check your balance here. If you have, for example, 600 here, that means you have $7. Okay, it's worth $7, and that $7 you can do a lot of things inside the app. For example, you can click on the store here in the left, and you can purchase items that are worth the same as your balance. You understand me, guys? For example, if you have here $5, you can find products that are worth that has the same price, which is $7, and you can buy them, and they will be delivered to you directly to your house. And as you can see, the offers keep changing every single day. So as you can see, it says here physical offers. Every single day you will find different offers here from different companies, and if you want some a physical product, you just need to click on it, and you will ask you guys for your address and stuff like that, and you will be able, guys, to to ship they will be able to deliver the product to your house. And here you need to change your location. Like if you live, for example, in United States, you need to change it to United States. Yeah, that's it, so that they will send it to the right location. Now the second thing you can do with the money, if you are in the mood for giving, you can just click on donate, and you can then donate money to charities. There are a lot of charities here. Now for but here because you clicked on this video because you want to transfer money from Sweatcoin to PayPal, you can also buy these products and you will be delivered to you. And like, for example, if you have for example 1 million Sweatcoins, there are some people who have a lot of Sweatcoins in their Sweatcoin app. You can get physical products and you can resell them, you can sell them again on eBay, and on eBay you can get the money to your PayPal account or Payoneer account. Okay, now if you have that, that's for people who have a lot of Sweatcoins. Okay, now as you can see here, if you want to transfer Sweatcoin directly to PayPal, it says here, if you have Sweatcoin, you will need a high balance to be able to use PayPal. That's the problem, guys. That's why I told you guys at the beginning it's a little bit harder to transfer directly. And if you refer at least 100 people, you can turn that into $100 gift card. Okay, now it's not directly like withdrawing money to PayPal, but you can get $100 gift card and you can use it to buy anything online. It's like you have a MasterCard, you can use it on any website online. Okay, and also you can choose to store the gift card balance in your PayPal account. As you can see here, you can choose to store that you can choose to store the gift card balance in your PayPal account, and you can use it anytime you want. It doesn't have an expiration date or anything like that. So that's what, guys, if you need to withdraw if you need PayPal, you don't want to get physical products like I showed you at the beginning, you can use this method, which is to refer a lot of people. That's what Sweatcoin says. If you go to here and you want to click on your profile in the top left, and if you click on gear in the top right, click on help, click on other common, and here if you click on how can I cash out my Sweatcoin to PayPal, it says here at the moment it's not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. So you can do that directly, but they say here PayPal and Amazon are features regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends. So it means like you can get a gift card, a PayPal gift card, and you can you can choose to store that PayPal the balance in your PayPal account. Okay, So if you get the PayPal gift card, you can use it on any website, okay? And how you can do that, after you invite a lot of friends, you can just click the store here, and you will find here the PayPal and Amazon gift cards here. Yeah, that's it, guys. So as you can see, it says here praisers. You can choose anything here, okay? You can buy any physical product using your balance on Sweatcoin. Like I said, every 600 Sweatcoin equals $7. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. That would be highly appreciated if you can, guys, drop a like on this video. See you guys in the next video.